What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's going on? Chilling at the crib, as you guys could see. Can't see the views of it. You know what I'm saying? See how the boy living. Yep. All right. What do you guys think about this? I'm really thinking about changing my candles colors. I haven't fully decided yet. Hold on. What do you guys think about this candle colors? The jackpot colors. I've been thinking about it, but there's pros and cons to it. The con is I'm not able to use it. I'm not able to see clearly using it. Sometimes I'm not able to see it clearly. Alright. So, I don't know. I may have it, or I may change it. Someone said no. Why not? Why not have these colors? Why not have this as my candle color? Black chart is better. Okay. Black chart is better. Thank you, guys. Welcome everyone that's joining in. All right. Black background, okay. All right. I'll take y'all word for it, man. Black background it is. Let's see. All right, we're gonna pick the jackpot. Regular. This one right here, guys. Is that what you guys want? You guys think this is better? Black background? Alright then. This one it is. I really like the jackpot colors, but it's alright. I like this too because I could see clearly too. And I could see the jackpot strategy clear too, so it really doesn't matter. But anyway, today is really about you guys, helping you guys, understanding what's going on. All right, really help you guys with the mindset, ask some questions, answer some questions for you guys. Yeah, I'm living good in Miami. This is my view from the crib, as you guys could see. You know what I'm saying? We got views for days. Yeah. Coming from where I come from, this is a blessing. Never been able to live like this before. I've lived good before, but Coming from the bottom, being from poverty, this is amazing. Okay, from bottom poverty to this. But not a lot about me today. Today is mostly about how can I help you guys get to the next level real quick. Okay. Right now, I'm not smoking on anything. All right, because I didn't smoke yet. I got my bro here, PMG Jiv, rolling up the paper as you guys could see. You know what I'm saying? Clean smoke, clear smoke. Great roller right there. That guy right there. Y'all make sure y'all give him a follow at PMG Jiv. Alright, I got my brother McKinley with me. T-Mac PMG. You know what's going on. He's on the chart. He's working. You know the vibes. We live good out here. It's all about views, good smokes, Forex charts, good food, having good fun. That's what that's if I had to summarize our life, it's really what it's about. And listening to good music. Work hard, smoke good, enjoy good views, and listen to good music. Okay? That's what we do. But realistically, it was not always like that. Okay? We all were born in Haiti, even him. He was born in Haiti. Moved to America when he was younger than us, of course, but he was also born in Haiti. Okay? So our life was not always luxury like this. Alright? Our life was not always luxury like this. It just now living good. Somebody said, what about the baddies? Oh man, can't be talking about that on live, man. I'm just playing. You guys know what come with the lifestyle, man. It's a no-brainer. That's not a problem for us PMG boys. You know what I'm saying? Let them know.
Can't say too much.
Can't say too much.
Ain't watching out.
But, you know what I'm saying? We keep our life private. You know what I'm saying? We get the bag. We get the bag. Like I said, we get the bag. We smoke good. We listen to good music and we enjoy good views with good vibes. We only have people we want around us. Not everyone could just be around us. All right, but and saying that, enough talking about us and our life and how good it is, but it wasn't always like that. Now, maybe you guys watching me right now, your life may not be as great. So I'm here today to give you guys the tools and the keys needed to be able to get yourself to the next level as well. And I understand it's not easy. I understand it's not something that's going to happen overnight. But if you do the steps that I did, you will definitely get to the next level. And while me working towards to get to my level that I am now, it was hard because I didn't know all of the information right away. I had to learn and find out all of the information. So I'm going to show you guys the steps. But in order to do that, I'm going to accept requests so I could be able to ask you guys questions and answer your questions that you have, so I could be able to better help you based on this specific question. Because I know a question that one of you guys could ask, but it correlates and it goes with a lot of other questions that other people may have as well. So I'm going to start accepting requests here. All right, let's go. Are we waiting for? Hey, how's it going?
What's good, man?
Good. You?
Yo, that's crazy. You accepted my live.
Yes, sir. How you
Yeah,
doing today?
I was just downstairs on the charts, but my mom is on the phone doing some stuff, so I came upstairs.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Nice. How long you been trading for?
I started February 2019.
Wow.
Yeah. So almost going on to 2 years now.
Nice. So how have been your journey so far?
Man, it's been good, man. Ever since I was young, like no cocky shit or anything like that. I always told myself I was gonna be different. Like I was gonna be the one that was gonna like change my family's lives, because like, and then like coming out of high school, man, I worked my ass off. I've worked everything. And then
Mm-hmm.
when I found Forex, I was like, yo, this is it. Like, I literally almost cried when I found out about Forex. I was like, yo, I just went full throttle. I studied this shit all day, every day. Like, for real.
Well, that's a good story, but it's not like that for everyone. What made you feel like Forex was it for you?
Because, like, I never went to school because, like, I knew school wasn't for me. I was like, why would I go to school to still work for somebody,
Mm-hmm.
I've always been about like making money and having time freedom, and then
Mm-hmm.
also being able to like support for my family, because like, grew up with no dad. I got my mom, my little sister, that type of stuff. So I guess I've always had that different mindset. So then when I found out about Forex, I was like, this is it. It's perfect. It's freedom. You make your money on your own terms, and it's just it. I was like, to me, it's just the best opportunity.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And the fact that you mentioned that you had a reason why to actually work hard and go and take your skills to the next level.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
so,
man. I
so
feel like when it comes to Forex, like you truly have to have a different mindset and you truly have to have a purpose, because if you want to just do it just to like make like extra money type stuff, like people will quit.
yeah, yeah, for sure. You definitely have to have that long term mindset and definitely need a reason why you are doing it. So it seems like you
Yeah.
have those things lined up. So that's pretty good. Keep up the great work, man. I'm looking forward to your result and looking forward to working with you.
Yeah, man. Yo, I just wanted to just ask you just real quick. How long did it take you for you to get your emotions down right? Like how long just how long did it take you to get your emotions down right?
That's a great question, and it's gonna be helpful for a lot of people on this live. So with that, it only gets better with time. So over
Yeah.
time, you get better at it. For me, one of the main thing that helped me get more confident in the market is using indicators. It helped me with a lot with my emotions. So for me, when it comes to using the jackpot strategy, right? If, for example, before without indicators, I used to just buy and sell anywhere around the market. So maybe I'll buy right here, or I'll sell right there, or I'll buy right there. I wouldn't
Yeah.
necessarily really know. Okay. So with that, without being really knowing, so I would just trade.
Yeah, just kind of just go with the
Right.
motion, like yeah, I feel you.
So my mindset is not there because I'm just looking to get this move and then I get up right there, then I get it was all over the place. So that when I started working with the jackpot strategy, the Ichimoku cloud, I was able to be more stable minded. And this is how I was able to be more stable minded because if I enter a buy here, I was able to see moving averages from the Ichimoku cloud holding the price for me like it did right there. See how it's holding it?
Yeah,
It's holding it and making it go all the way up like that. You see that?
yeah,
So if I were to enter a buy, and I'm not saying I would be holding a buy all the way to that many pips on the daily time frame, but I would be stable minded to be in this buy because I know that it couldn't break this area here. Or I could enter another buy here because I know it couldn't break that moving average there.
I feel you.
So that would give me more confidence. Or on the smaller time frame, like H4 or H1, like right here. Price is underneath. I know when it's underneath, it's going to be doing a different type of move for a sell. So if I enter here in these two lines, I have a little bit more confident to stand this trade for a sell and make profit compared to if I didn't have nothing at all.
I feel you.
So using my jackpot strategy was able to really help me be stable minded in my trade and not worry too much about stop loss. I have stop loss, but not worried about if it's gonna hit or not because
Yeah.
I have those lines there from the indicator to be able to, in a way, block the trade from not actually going to stop loss. Not that it doesn't mean it's not going to go there, but I have a higher chance of it not going there because it's holding it. The indicators are literally holding that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. So glad I
Yeah.
was able to answer your question.
And man, I just want to say you're straight motivation, man. Because I found you from YouTube like not that long ago, like 5 months ago, something like that, or like I think before quarantine.
Hmm.
And then I got you on Instagram, and like you're just living proof that if you want it, you work for it, it's gonna happen. Because like just like us, like we're coming from nothing. You came from nothing from Haiti. Just like you talk about all the time, like where you're at now, the average person like never like even reaches that stuff.
Hmm.
It's
Yes.
just proof, just motivation, man.
Thank you very much, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So keep up the great work, and I'll definitely talk to you soon.
All right, man. Appreciate it, man.
Awesome, man. Peace out.
Peace.
All right. Who's next? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? All right. There go you guys with the high jokes. I didn't even smoke. Jokes on you. Look, it's being rolled up. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even smoke yet. By the time I smoke, we're going to have some nice night views here. You know what I'm saying? Roll the blunt just on time. But I'm going to get this out the way first. Focus on you guys today. All right. Okay, who's next? All right. I'm going to go accept live requests one by one based on, yeah, I'm going to go on it and accept requests one by one because we got a couple here. First come, first serve. Somebody said, "Do you have a rule to smoke after certain profit or after certain time?" No. I just smoke about 3 to 4 times a day, every day. All right, let's go. All right. If you're not answering the live, I'm gonna go to the next person. All right, next. What's your favorite period? EUG. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. And yourself?
Um, I just I've just recently started following you actually. I found your page on like a few of some more disciplined traders accounts
Mm-hmm.
and I want to know how do you stay disciplined and what are some how do you keep yourself in a committed mindset to say like okay, no matter how many times I like lose or I figure out I learn from my losses and just turn them into lessons. How do you just remain disciplined and committed?
Okay. So discipline when it comes to Forex is one of the main things that you're going to be learning throughout your whole journey in Forex. You're going to get better at it, but it's still going to be an ongoing process of learning because you're going to just have to be disciplined at every level. Once you first start, you have to be disciplined at managing smaller accounts until you have bigger accounts. Then after that, once you have bigger accounts, you have to be disciplined enough to manage your account well enough and knowing that, hey, this is still money that you have to work with and grow. Even if you have a lot of it, you have to manage it right. For me, from my experience, it got harder for me when I started working with bigger amount of money because in my head, it feels like I can't lose. It feels like I have so much to risk that it'll come back or the trade will come back. So my stop loss would tend to be much bigger than usual, which would cause bigger losses because you're working with bigger amounts. So discipline is something you always going to be learning throughout your process. And once you get used to it, once you get comfortable with working the market, with working the chart at different levels, then it's going to be much easier for you to trade different types of accounts. And it all comes down to what are you looking for? What is your attention on whatever account you're trading? So if you have a $500 account, your intention should be to be able to grow that to 1,000 to 2,000. And it shouldn't be I'm going to trade that 500 to grow it to 1,000 in one day. You can, but it's not necessarily going to happen. You will have to break some rules to possibly make it happen, right? But if you're trading an account that's your account and you're trading to actually make money, you just have to set your rules. How many pips are you risking to be able to make? So, are you willing to risk 30 pips to be able to make 50 pips? You also have to determine what type of style of trader are you? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Or you are a swing trader? You have to understand these things first. Once you understand that, then you'll be able to start trading exactly the right way. It's $500 account. I have 500. I'm willing to risk $100 or $50 or $30 to be able to make more like that. And I know it could get hard actually following your rules, which was hard for me too. But it just come to a point where you get tired of losing for not following your rules, where you just follow your rules. That's what happens. So with experience, you get better at it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes. Hopefully that answered your question. Where are you from?
I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, in the United States, and I currently live in Irvine, California.
Oh, nice, nice. That's good. So, what time frames, and what session do you usually like to trade?
Recently, I take most of I look at the daily to see the overall trend, and then I'll mark up like supply and demand on the 4 hour. And with the 1 hour, I'm really trying to practice my patience on that time frame because I noticed it's not just more pips, but it also the way the candlesticks form. I see more of the consistency on where the market is not predicting, but I can just pick up more patterns on where the market is fluctuating each day out the week on the 1 hour time frame. I just I fluctuated between trying to be a scalper, but then I don't really like the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. I just feel like it's too fast for me. And then I realized with swing trading, it's more of like a lot of money that you have to invest in to really see the results that you want to see. And then day trading is technically what I do. Um, I I've been trading for 2 years, and the last time I had a job was a year ago when I officially just let the foreign exchange market be like my source of income. I'm currently working on other sources of income, but um, yeah, I just take it day by day. I just try to improve day in and day out because I see so many traders like yourself who make so much money from the market, and I just feel inspired by that because I know that that could be me one day. I just have to remain consistent, and I do have my good days and my bad days, but it pays the bills, so I can't complain.
Well, that's good. That's awesome because you mentioned a key thing, which is consistency. So, if you could stay consistent long enough while learning from your mistakes, you will be a great trader. So that's awesome. Keep it up, and I look forward to your results on my next lives in the near future. And then maybe one day, if we have an offline event, you could probably pull up.
Of course.
Aw-
Blessings. Love.
Awesome. Well, it was nice talking to you. I look forward to seeing more of your success.
No problem.
Uh,
Thank you so much.
You go to LSU?
I did.
Oh, nice.
I did.
That's dope. All right. Awesome. See who's next. Salim. Salim been waiting. Okay. Nope. All right. That's funny. Oh, what's up with the bot? The bot is ready actually. Just have to connect it and make it live for you guys. Gonna get going with that very shortly. No worries, guys. Wow, that was cap. Look at this. Let's see if they play a replay. They didn't show it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at this cap. Oh, he did hit him, but he flopped a little bit towards the end. The lights about to come out. Yes, sir. The lights about to come out. I'm gonna smoke that blunt soon. All right. So who's next? Who's next in this call? Let's see. All right. If you gonna pick up, I'm going to the next person.
Yo,
What's up? What's up? How you doing?
I'm good, Jackpot.
What's
How
up?
you
Where you
how
from?
you living, man?
I'm living good, man. Thanks to the Forex knowledge.
Man, look, that Ichimoku cloud I told you about, I don't milk JBP, well GBP JPY
Oh yeah,
every day,
every day.
every day.
That's dope. So you focus on one or two pairs?
Right now I'm just focused on GBP, JPY, and GU.
Okay. Question for you as a trader. For everyone here that's on this live, don't you find it easier to work with one or two pairs instead of five different pairs?
Yeah, because you know the ins and outs of the pair. You know where the market is gonna go, and if you know it's consolidating, you can know which way it's gonna go. And the Ichimoku cloud is basically it tells you where it's gonna go. And that's only one indicator. I haven't got your strategy yet. I told you I was gonna get it, but I don't have it yet. I'm just learning off the Ichimoku cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So I told you I appreciate you for introducing me to the Ichimoku cloud. So I'm gonna give you that. You got that.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you very much, man. And I'm glad that you're actually working with the cloud and actually following the steps by not confusing yourself. Because the reason I asked you that question is because there's some new people that they using the strategy, but they're working with like 10 different pairs, trading Nasdaq, trading US 30, and then getting confused on where the price is going, and then thinking that the strategy don't work. But it's not the strategy. It's really dumb actually putting
Yeah,
that
it's the
one.
trader because they really don't know the pair yet. So for me, GJ move crazy.
Hello? Seems like, oh
So
yeah?
I went to sleep overnight with it.
Damn, that's dope. It must feel good waking up and you still in profit.
Right, and I still work. So I was like, well, eh. But next week I'm just gonna invest like $300 in my account so I can get really rocking.
Right,
And I
right.
told you I'm going to buy the strategy. I am.
Awesome, man. Well, that's awesome, man, because we are right now in the process of upgrading our website and upgrading the strategy, which will be released by next week. So if you could do that before next week, that'll be good because you guys will be in. And anyone that join, just a heads up, the price will be going up. So if you guys lock in right now, it's gonna be better for you than going to pay the higher price on the newer website, which will be released next week. So lock in today and make sure that you be a part of what we got going on because you're using the one indicator and it's working. Imagine having all the other four indicators
Right,
working. You know?
right.
So you're definitely gonna know the strategy. I'm glad that you are having some success with what you have right now. Keep it up, and I'm looking forward to working with you.
All right, will do.
Awesome, man. I'll talk to you soon.
I salute.
Yes, sir. All right. Do you mark up a week before? No, I work up. I mark up the week of. I mark up the week of. All right. Next. All right. Thank you, Curvy Miller, for putting in a good word for us. Skincare routine. I don't use one. I don't have a skincare routine, but I should. All right. I'm glad you guys are learning the Ichimoku Cloud. I'm glad you guys are learning how to stack trades. It's only going to get better from here. All right. Next. Welcome, welcome, everyone joining. Waiting for this person to join. If not, we're going to go to the next person. This person didn't pick up. Thank you, Marley. Appreciate it. Yes. Guys, if you are not yet a member, make sure you become a member within the next couple of days or so because we are upgrading our website. All right. Everything is going to be updated and much easier for you guys to use. And price will be going up. All right. Let's see who's next. Thank you, guys. Favorite time frame, H4.
Yo, what's good?
Man, how's it going?
What's good, bro?
Good, good. Where you from?
Maryland, man.
Maryland?
Yeah, man.
That's dope.
Maryland, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You a trader as well?
Yeah, man. I'm trying. Man. I
Cool.
tried, man.
How long you been trading?
Shit, for like, what, like 4 months now, no cap. Like, I ain't even by cap. Feel me? Like 4 or 5 months, you feel me? I, you don't know. I got ups and downs, you
Cool,
know.
cool. So
Ups and downs.
for newer
Yeah.
traders like yourself, what would you say is like your biggest challenge right now in 4 months?
My discipline.
Discipline.
My discipline, like me, like I got good entries, but I hold trades too long. I get too greedy. Um, like that's my main things I key on like now is that it's my discipline and I hold trades too long.
Mm-hmm.
Like too long. And then But and like then I trade a lot of pairs now. Like I trade like 4 or 5 pairs. Like you would just said, like I trade too much pairs and then I think I should trade like just like 1 or 2. Like harp on 1 or 2 good ones, scope them out right, but I just confuse myself a lot. But I got up and down days. Well, weeks really like I trade like small accounts now, cause I say like like my like first trade ever. Well, like it's my like first like day. I put in like 150, like some like short shit. I say I held like a trade to like the like next morning. I'm up I'm up like 600 by like 10, 11. And from like that like day on, you would know I'm like, oh, this shit can work. But after I lost all that shit,
Right, right.
I
I get what
lost
you mean.
all that shit. But that the shit told me was like, yo, bro, this shit could work. So every day me try to show you. So like I just like write down key shits,
Oh,
notes and
nice. I did.
all like that shit like that. And I just you would know like I just try to like work. You with them, I just try to like steadily, work. You would know when when all like that shit, when like just, learn. Feel I mean, like I watch y'all, like I watch you, I watch all y'all. I try not to listen to y'all too much. Like I take what y'all say, but I try not to harp on it and just think on it. I like try to be like, okay, cool. Like let me like look at like a certain pair right now. Me at least scope that out. Me at least see if he alright. And then I might use what you say. And then if somebody else say that, and then he just say that, then I'm like, alright, me you look on that like more. And then if it look right, I might, be like, alright, cool, I'm going.
Have you
And
blown accounts before?
who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That all of that is part of the game. So based on what you
Oh
told
yeah,
me,
I know that.
you basically know what you did wrong.
Oh yeah, of
So
course.
the next step is for you to simply find out what to do right moving forward. So you mentioned discipline. So how can you work on a better discipline? Find out what is your style of trading. Are you a scalper? Are you an intraday trader? Or are you a swing trader? Once you find
I'm
that out,
I'm I'm in like the I'm in like the like crosshairs to where it's like I scout and then I try to day trade. It's like, but like I love my H1. Like I love to like read it and do. I like to analyze off the like day, but like I love my H1 chart
okay,
a
so
lot.
you're a day trader. You like about 50 pips, 100 pips. You probably risk 30 pips to be able to make 50 to 100 pips for that day.
Hmm.
All right, so the more you keep doing that,
But then
the better you get.
I always want more, bruh. It's like I think
Look,
it could get to that 80, 100. Like
everyone,
that's my
everyone want more.
flaw.
Everyone want more. Even me
That's my
myself,
flaw.
that's always a weakness
I
because
can't hold
that's
you.
human nature.
Hmm.
Everyone want more. You see $50, you think it's gonna go to 70. Then they actually get to 70, then you think it's gonna go to 100. And now you waiting for 100, then it go all the way back down to 40.
Yeah.
Now you at $10 again. It happens. So to work on that, try to close your profit or secure partial profit. Once you
Yeah,
secure your
bro.
partial profit and it actually goes back, then you'll be able to come back in the trade because you could always re-enter that trade. So securing profit, having a discipline to know exactly how much you're expecting on that trade is definitely going to get you to the next level because everyone want more. Everyone,
X.
most traders, especially new traders, they think that one trade they do because it was so hard to find that perfect game. They think that one trade is going to be the one that give them thousands of pips,
Oh nah.
but that's not going to be it.
Mm.
It's gonna be multiple winning trades add up over time to give you success. So you
Bro,
know your weakness, keep working on it because what happens.
I came in, look, I came in like, yo, Slim, I know, like, I, look, I know I'm not gonna get rich in one day, 1 week. Like I came in for like the long run. Like I know when like a year or two max. I know like a year or 2 years, if I lock in just low, just learn it, I know in like the next 5 to 10 years it's going to like pay off. Like I think long term. And then like me, bro, is like I'm trying to like balance so much shit. Like bro, I got the recording shit that I'm trying to do. I do this shit. I do production.
So
I
again,
like do
I've been talking
trades.
about this for a long time now. It
Yeah.
have to come to a point where you pick that one thing, and this is why the topic is about actually today too. Being that
Hmm.
one thing, you're gonna have to decide. Okay, with everything you got going on, which one have the
Yeah.
best potential? Which one
Oh,
actually pay
4X,
you?
of course.
All right. So once you find the one that's gonna pay you, which I think is Forex,
Of
spend more
course.
time doing that. And once you find and you spend the time doing that, then your skill set will be to the next level. So
Bro,
we'll
I got like a whole, like, my thing to you, bro, is like, how do you balance things? Like, okay, yeah,
I
it's
do
like
one thing,
first,
Forex.
so,
I do one thing. I don't do nothing. I'm not an artist. I'm not recruiting people. I'm
yeah.
not working a 9 to 5. I do
Hmm.
one thing. I do trading forex, and then I teach people how to trade forex after I learn how to do forex. Because anyone could teach forex too, but I always tell people if you're gonna
Facts.
teach forex too, first learn forex for yourself, and then you could teach it. But in the beginning, first 6 months to a year, you have to spend time for yourself to learn forex and master forex. Once you do that one thing, then that's what it's gonna be. And
I
it's
look.
gonna come from that.
What was look, your first look, yeah, like first
This is the
two.
last question, all right?
Oh, okay, cool, yeah. Yellow, like first year or two, how much bread did you lose? Really honest.
How much money
What?
did I lose?
How much bread? I know you know the like you know the number that you would lost. Like how much bread did you would lose?
I lost my first year. The most amount I lost was 10,000, and I was trading that 10,000 because what happened was I made a video about it on YouTube. What happened
Mm-hmm.
was I just kept trading and trading and trading and trading, and I made the money. But then I thought because I have a bigger balance now, I could do a lot more lot size, bigger lot size, because bigger lot size bring bigger profits. So I started
Yeah.
on bigger lot size, and I end up blowing the account trading news, trading just trading. I just wasn't a trading, and news happened. I lost a lot of money fast.
Yeah, and then like that news thing, like I follow like news slightly too, and that shit confused me too. Like I don't know. Look, I think I just need to like just like buy your with shit, you would know, or just harp on to like that shit and like see what's what's like really like
Here's
pop.
what you could
You
do.
feel me?
Here's what you could do.
Because I wanted to like learn this shit like self made like self taught, which I am. Cause like I you what feel me is like
Look,
I
you
want,
could do
yeah,
self taught. You could do self taught, but just know it's gonna take longer.
yeah,
It,
like yeah,
especially you doing
I
multiple,
want that.
it's not gonna work out. So this what
Huh?
you could do. Especially doing multiple things, it's not gonna work out. You have to find one thing, especially if you're gonna self teach yourself. If you were going to self teach yourself, then maybe doing a couple of things here and there while learning forex would work. But if you're gonna self teach yourself, it's gonna be hard. What Jackpot recommend?
But I'm a hustler, bro. Like
What
come
Jack
on,
what
bro.
Jackpot recommend you to go
Hmm.
fscapitalonline.com. Make sure you can see that clearly. It's the
Yeah,
fscapitalonline.com. You need to
yeah,
become a member for $275 a year before the price go up, because it will go up on our new website.
okay.
This will give you access to the academy. Well, you will be learning about how to manage your risk, the discipline you talk about. It'll show
Hmm.
you how to do that. All the things that you having trouble with right now,
Yeah,
we could help you be able to do it. Now, hey, if you want to go and do it by yourself,
bro, I'm here.
you can,
Look,
but
look,
it's gonna take time.
bro.
And that
I'm
goes for
hip.
everyone.
I watch you, bro. I'm hip. Like I'm hip. I am hip. Like I'm hip. That look, you know something. you know something that I want. Well, I want to at least know. Like you what like you know something I want to at least know. So I
Then
want get in that brain pulse. You with me is like you want to like know something I want to know. Like me, I have to watch dudes like I gotta watch dudes and see what like if like you about what the fuck you would like say you about like I got to scope and see like is you about that shit do you would live how you would talk does shit work are you actually getting money like I got to peep out dudes see them like I don't just jump on shit like I
you know,
know
people that's making money, they don't think like that because they're not thinking about who's gonna sign up or do anything with them. It's people
yeah
that don't have money that always looking to see, let me make sure this person is J, which is good because you are aware. You want to make
bro
sure
I
that
ain't rich yeah
you
bro
investing in
I ain't
something that's
rich
right,
fuck
which I
no
understand.
bro
But you can't sit
yeah
for too long. It's gonna come to a point where you're gonna have to realize, oh, these guys are real. I'm gonna move forward with them. If it's not us, it's somebody else. If
nah
you don't,
like
time pass.
no, to man, keep it a buck, bro. I paid for a few courses of like some like low shit, but I'm not even like on that. I just scope out shit like to see like who's about what. But I see you and I see your shit. Like I've been on your like site. I seen all that. I see that you about your like I'm hip, but I am just like saying, bro, it's like there is a lot of traders. There's a lot of the niggas out here saying that they your post of this, post of that. And then I like sit back and I be like, yeah. But I peep that you like certain shit, like certain pairs, you have said I hit on. And that's real shit. Like I think your ass said CAD something like a week or two ago. And I hit on that shit. So I peep shit like, bro, I sit back every time you on live. I peep shit, scope out, feel me. So
I feel
that's
that.
why I'm saying like
Well, I think the
I
solution
might have
is
to.
this: you have to just stop thinking about everything you've been doing and everything that's going on, and focus on what step you could take from today moving forward
Yeah,
to better yourself and grow.
bro.
And like I
I'm
said,
hurt.
it doesn't have to be with us, but you're gonna have to find that mentor that's gonna help you get to your journey. And if it's us, great. Hopefully, we'll end up working with you and seeing you in person one of those days once we start having live session. But we're not
That's
gonna
I'm with
take
that.
too long. Definitely, it was a great answering all your questions. Let's give
Yes, sir.
guests a chance to ask some questions as well. It was nice talking to you, bro. All right.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Yeah, brother.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? Who's next? All right, we're running short on time, guys. Everyone have 1 minute. All right, there you go.
Yo, what up, man?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Not much, man. I know I hit you up a couple of hours ago, man, on your strategy, dog. Like I was doing it. I
Nice.
made 140. I made 140 off of it. GJ and NU,
Wow, you
and
made
like
140 today.
yeah,
Good
and well,
strategy.
not today. It was like 2 days. It was like 2
2 days.
days ago. I got out today because it was going up. Um, Yeah, man, I just want to talk about like, how I got in and stuff. Well, I want to talk to you first, like those snipe, like how you get like the best entries, because my entries be somewhere far, but by looking at your strategy and seeing the cloud, then I know it's gonna go down. So I I go to sleep, I wake up, be in profit.
Yeah. So you mentioned you made profit using the strategy
Yeah,
without
just the strategy. Yeah.
without even finding perfect entry. So already we know the strategy works.
Yeah.
All right, great. Now the perfect entries is just something that you get better with over.
Mm-hmm.
Not all your trade is going to be perfect.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going to be exactly right when it starts. But the fact that you know where it was going and was able to catch the remainder of 50 pips, the remainder of 100 pips, then that shows you at a good position in trading. And it's going to help you grow in your skill set long term.
Mm-hmm.
Because what happened is those entries just get better and better with time. This is why I always tell traders focus on 1 to 3 pairs. Even me myself, when I send analysis to FX Capital online members, I send about 5 analysis. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be trading all 5 analysis. I'm only
Mm-hmm.
focused on 1 or 2, 3 max pairs for that week.
Mm-hmm.
So once throughout the week, if your focus is on 1 pair, you're going to get great entries.
Mm-hmm.
If it's on 2, 3 as perfect as if you were focusing on just 1 pair.
Okay.
Here's the good thing about focusing on 1 pair.
Mm-hmm.
When you're focusing on 1 pair, you get to see exactly by the wick where price is going to stop. Where is it going to reverse? You get to see where you're going to find your entries, where you're going to add lot size.
Mm-hmm.
Because you focus on 1 pair. But if you're focusing on 3 other pairs, especially if it's not currency pairs like Euro USD, not Euro USD, US 30, NASDAQ, pairs like that, XPX 500, you trading that, and then you trading USD CAD, and then you trading NZD USD, then you trading GJ. You will never be able to find perfect entries trading those pairs because you may be making money in this pair, then you lose on that pair. Now you have to pair. You made perfect entry on this one. Now you have to go on the other pair because you all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
You will never find perfect entries like that. But if you find 1 pair, let's say it's just each for the day, or
Mm-hmm.
just GBP JPY or for this week, your entries is going to be so clean that you're gonna realize if you go right here, your entries. I'm gonna show you my charts.
Okay.
I was focusing on this pair, and even me, I'm guilty of this because I don't focus on 1 pair as I should fully.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you this: if I was trading and I was focusing on 1 pair, I would not have missed this perfect entry right here.
Okay.
See that perfect entry right there?
Yeah.
Right there, I would not have missed that perfect entry. And even if I did miss this perfect entry, I would have catch it a little bit underneath right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yeah.
And yes, this is not a perfect entry, but look, if you calculate how many pips is that with the ruler from here to where it's at right now, 159, 160 pips, you don't
Mm-hmm.
care about perfect entry. You caught 160 pips at not perfect entry,
Okay.
right? Because
Mm-hmm.
you were following 1 pair, which is Euro USD all week. So you're not missing this move because that's your only real opportunity to make money for the week. But if
Okay.
I was trading all the other pairs, even when this entry give me an entry here to get in, I would have missed it because I'm busy on US 30 or I'm busy on XPX 500. By the time I see this, I enter a sell here. Now this is a negative. I'm losing. I think I'm wrong because I haven't been paying attention to it because I'm trading other pairs. But really, it's just a retracement. I wasn't wrong, and it actually did sell.
Mm-hmm.
Things like that, you don't get confused anymore because you are focusing on 1 or 2 pairs. And I've been saying this for so long to all the members in FS Capital Online group chat. Like, focus on 1 pair. 1
Mm-hmm.
pair, 2 pair. If look, if you really wanted to make money, you focus on one or two pairs. And I'm saying this, it also goes for me too.
Mm.
Because I have to be able to just have my focus on one thing to have success long term. Because all over the place is gonna blow my account, make me be stuck in trades that I don't want to be stuck on, and so forth and so on. So I don't want that.
Okay.
So
I actually got my computer. You know, I keep my computer on me, and I was looking at this GJ, and you know it's been selling. You know, I look at it daily. You know, and it looked like it's doing a retracement. I'm thinking it's gonna sell. You know, I put in my sell limit as of right now. I didn't sell it yet. I don't know what it's gonna do. You know, but you know when you look at I didn't buy the course yet. You know, I'm 19. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't go to college. I had football scholarships, broke my leg.
wow.
Lost it all, you know how that is sometimes. But
But you
yeah,
got
I'm
Forex
looking at
though.
it. Hmm?
But you got Forex though.
Yeah, that's why I had in my head like, yeah, I got for it, so I'm gonna just do what I got to do. Like right now, I can't afford, the course, but eventually I will, But as of right now, I'm doing good without it. Even though I still want to buy it because I want to know the other indicators, so I'm still gonna buy it. But as time comes, I'm still learning. And right now, I just want you to check me and see if I'm right. You know what I'm saying? I just want to see, you the GOAT, and I'm trying to get there. So, GJ, I mean, it looks like it's retracing on the daily. You think it's going to continue to sell? I mean, on the 4 hour, it's, you know what I'm saying? It's a red cloud,
Yeah, so I think with GJ, which I will be sending analysis for, not GJ but similar pairs, I think it's definitely going to go back down for a sell.
Mm-hmm.
And I have it right here. GBP, JPY, because the retracement is not done yet.
Yeah.
Okay, GBP, JPY, right there. See, it already dropped. It did a big drop already.
Mm-hmm.
It was underneath cloud, I bet.
Yeah.
You see? Perfect entry. Somebody asked me, how do I have confidence? Well, if I was paying attention to this and I seen price was underneath this, my confidence would have been here, knowing that it's not going back up there again.
Okay.
That's where my confidence comes from.
Oh, so you would have picked out there in the top. See, I got it right here. Actually, I can flip my camera around and show you. I'm on it right now. I actually got in like, like right up in here. I
Mm-hmm.
got like right up in here, so it was okay. It was all right. So I feel like I did pretty good, but it was like right here at this buy. So I was kind of getting nervous at first, but then
Yeah,
it went down for me. And
you did pretty good.
right now I'm looking at let me see the daily. Right now I have my line right
But
here
look
where it's
how
going.
earlier entry was on the H1 time frame. If you were really paying attention to this, you wouldn't have missed it. Me, I wasn't paying attention to it, so I missed it.
Uh-huh.
But whoever favorite pair that is, they shouldn't have missed that pair, that move, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's perfectly literally underneath the moving averages, underneath the cloud, red cloud. It stayed
Mm-hmm.
red. It stayed underneath. Made price go all the way down for hundreds of pips. It's no flaw. You get
Mm-hmm.
out right here because it crossed over again.
Yeah.
You know, it's that simple. The strategy is very, very, very simple.
Yeah, and when I watched it, I watched all YouTube videos. I watched all the YouTube videos, and when I was looking at it, I'm just thinking like, it can't. Is it that easy? And then like the first like the after I was done watching your video Monday, Labor Day actually, I put in my sale. Didn't touch it for 2 days. Made 140, and I was just like, wow, that is crazy. I
Yes.
like that's crazy. But I'm not gonna keep I'm not gonna keep you long. I mean, eventually I'll chat with you again. I know there's other people that want to get on the live. So nice talking to you, man.
Likewise, man. You keep up the great work. Looking forward to working with you.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. All right. So on GJ H1 time frame, someone asks, what is the perfect entry? Does anyone know what is the perfect entry from here? Using the jackpot strategy H1 time frame. What would that be? All right. Anyone know? I'm going to point it out, but I need you guys' opinion first. Let me see if who knows. And then I'm gonna end the live showing you guys some nice views for the night. Here. So the perfect entry for GJ Sell if we're talking about perfect entry, right here, that's where perfect entry would have been. Second perfect entry underneath when yellow on the H1 time frame cross the white moving average. That's second entry. So 1, 2, and then third entry is underneath right here when price cross underneath the Ichimoku cloud. 3. See that? 1, 2, 3. After those entries was done, price had no more destination to go. Moving average was held together nicely and made price go all the way down. See here, this is an entry for a buy because the moving averages is crossing again. But how far is it going to buy? This is where you have to get the jackpot strategy, the full jackpot strategy, to know where the retracement is also going as well. All right, let's see who's next.
Yo,
How's it going?
yo, what's up, Jackpot?
Good, good, good. Where you from?
Hey man, I live in Tampa right now.
Nice, nice. You a trader as well?
Yes, sir. I just joined your course like 4 days ago, 5 days ago, something like that.
Awesome. Glad to have you on the board with us.
Yes, sir. I just saw you said you're gonna increase the price. I'm happy I joined at the right time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So far, 4 days, what do you think about the course for those new people watching?
Honestly, I like the course a lot. I've been trading for about a year and 4 months now. I was always like, I don't know, it's like I have results, but then I don't. Like, I did make a couple profitable trades, but like I wasn't able to just do it all the time, all the time, all the time. Especially like how you do it too. Like you like your videos when you put like 250 to like 3,000, like I'm like, I don't know how does he do it with such little money, you know? Like I was one of the people they tried to tell you have to put a lot of money in your account
Mm-hmm.
to do anything substantial with it. So that's why like I've been like paying attention real good. I was like I'm literally on it right now. Like I'm literally on it right now, bro. Like
Awesome. Awesome. Yep. Soaking all that knowledge because over time it's going to pay off. And this is what I always tell newer members. Be patient with yourself. You know, this is something new that you are learning. Don't expect next week to have tremendous results. Give yourself 6 months to a year. This is why our course is a yearly course because we understand that you're not going to comprehend this in 6 months. It's going to take more than 6 months to comprehend it. And we're not going to charge you every month just to learn how to trade. So the fact that you are in a yearly membership service, you have to utilize that whole year by going over the course over and over again, seeing what you did wrong on your trade, you know, analyzing your trades properly, seeing how to do that, managing your risk. With the small account, the way I do it, I just use the information and capitalize on perfect entries going from destinations to destinations to destination based on the tools that we have on the jackpot strategy. So I don't know how far you are on the course so far, but there's a lot of people that is on that course. I know you're gonna be able to handle it on.
yeah, it has a lot of great information. Like I didn't realize it. It's crazy because you look at the chart the whole time, but it's like once you point something out, then I look, I'm like, damn, like with the Bollinger Bands, for example, like I never noticed how it's like support and resistance. I realized it after you guys pointed it out and stuff like that, which is the great part about buying a course too, because it's like reading a book in a way. It's like you're feeding off someone else's knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
I would probably figure the stuff out myself, but it would just take me so much longer, so many more months, years, as opposed to doing it right now, man. And I'm always support too, because I'm Haitian too, man. So to
Oh,
see,
that's what's up.
yeah, man, to see you doing good like that, man. You know, I've been over there too, man, and everything, man. To see that, I'm
You
like,
know
yo,
how it is.
I know exactly how it is, man. Miami, New York, the Haitian hotspots,
Right. So you know,
everything.
man, this right here is something that our people needs. But
Basically, yeah, it's an extra stream of income. Like, you know, like I want to be a full-time 100% trader. That's me personally. But if someone else wants to work and trade, That's that to me that makes perfect sense. Like it's another stream of income. Like you don't have to
It
be broke.
definitely, definitely. And it all start with us, the people that see the vision first, making it work for us, and then we are able to help others along the line how to do it as well. Because once we are able to do it and they could see Haitians like them doing it, then they'll do it too. So
Yeah.
tell you what, man, I'm very happy that you were able to sign up with us and become a member, and now you are learning. I'm looking forward to more of your success because I know it will work for you over time. So, one before we end our session, what is the one main question that you have in your head right now that if I could answer it for you, that'll make some things clear for you?
I didn't think he was gonna accept my live, so I would have wrote it down.
Okay, no
Anything.
problem. There's no problem. But anything in Forex overall that had been a big issue for you to understand?
Um, honestly, for me, I guess my biggest problem is yeah, honestly, my biggest problem is just perfect. I'd probably say knowing when to enter, because sometimes I'll predict something to, let's just say, be a buy, and then I'll buy it, but it always drops for a long while before it actually becomes a buy. It's actually been so bad.
100%.
I hate it, man. It's been so bad. I remember like those 2 times I just hopped out. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna hold it. I'm just gonna hop out. And I hopped out, and then I looked 2 hours later, and it 100% went my way. It's like I'm just thinking, when is the how do you know to enter now? You know what I mean?
Right.
Sniper entry.
Right. So one thing that I've been able to help me with the entries is trading at the right time. So the right times is London sessions and New York sessions. You know you're going to have a good move breakout, and those moves usually the main move for the week because and also the days to trade. The days to trade, you got Wednesdays, Thursdays, the best days in the market to trade. So on those days, the moves is going to be much better for a bigger long-term move instead of just a retracement that going against you, and then you look a couple of days later, it did a bigger move that you were right anyway. So maybe waiting for the right time and understand the difference between a retracement and a real move is going to be able to help you a lot.
Okay. Okay, I see what you mean. Do you use Fibonacci or no?
No, I don't use it, but I know how to use it.
Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, that's nice. All right then. Thank you, man. I
All
appreciate it, man.
right,
Thank you for
but it's a
answering.
pleasure, and I'm looking forward to more of your result in the chat.
Thank you, man. I'm gonna see you.
Talk soon. Yes, sir. You guys hear some noise in the background? It's because Chef PMG is always chefing it up. Let's see what he got going on. What you making, bro? Live want to know.
Burger fries.
Burger and fries. You guys see, we normal like you guys. We don't always eat out. We don't always do Uber Eats.
But I'm not eating that shit. Y'all eat it.
He's on his health shit today. You guys see what's going on. Some fries, burgers, and fries. See, no more people like you guys. We don't eat out every day. Although we can Uber Eats every day, but we don't Uber Eats every day. You know, it's just normal life. The difference is that back then, when we all was broke, we work hard so we could not be broke anymore. So we could be able to live the life of our dreams, be able to do things that we want to do, live where we want to live. So now we there, we just doing the same shit, but just in a different environment, more lit environment, luxury. It's the same thing. We used to cook when we was low. Now we just cooking in penthouses. Same shit. It's just different life, different location. All right. But now this is how we live it. All right. It's already night. Did about an hour or so with you guys. Hopefully you guys learned a lot. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to get ready to enjoy my blunt and enjoy a nice dinner. Okay? Because that's what it's all about. You work hard, live good, and you do good things. You know what I'm saying? This view right here is awesome. I would never get tired of this view. Look at that. penthouse lifestyle, but it wasn't always penthouse. All right, it was a 1 bedroom apartment. Okay, sharing houses with people, living with people. It's not fun, but it's a step to get somewhere else. See, now I'm here in a different life. I have to get used to it. So yeah, guys, get a little bit about my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm here on the charts all the time. I'm putting in work daily. I'm grinding. You know what I'm saying? I take losses just like you guys. I win a lot just like you guys. But overall, I put in the work. You know, and that's what you guys have to do too. That's what you guys have to do too. Once you do that, then you'll be able to live. Look, this is it. Think about it like this. Whatever you're doing right now, when you broke, all right, you broke right now. If you're on the forex chart and you studying, that's gonna be your life when you have money too. You're still gonna be living good, but with money in the forex chart. Okay, nothing changes. It's just your knowledge changes. But if you're not learning and you're not growing, your reality is never going to change. All right, your reality is never going to change, but life is just going to move forward and pass you by. But you have to be able to grow in your skill set day in and day out. Look, you could be at a 1 bedroom apartment with your friend right now, grinding hard to make this shit happen. Or at your mom's house in the basement, grinding hard to make Forex happen. I understand that. You could be doing that right now. But you only want to be doing that for a certain amount of time. It have to be a year or two, no more than that. All right, it could be less. But the same thing you're doing is what you're gonna do when you have money later on. Okay, if you're working on the chart, you're getting better. That's something that's gonna get you to the next level. Once you get to that next level, that's the same thing you're gonna be doing as well to get you to the next level and the next level and the next level. It's the same thing, over and over and over and over and over again. All right, just like if you broke and you still watching TV, and you're not working hard and you're not putting time on the charts, you're not doing the things that you need to be doing, what happened is time passed by, but you still broke. But if you're doing something positive and you are learning exactly what you need to do, time will pass by, you will grow, and your life will change, and you will never regret it. So I'm saying this to you guys so you guys can be inspired and maybe be able to create a lifestyle that you never want to leave. Okay? You could create a life where it's permanent, where you're never gonna go broke again. All right? And from there, you only grow and go up and up and up and up and up and up. That's what you want to do. That's what you need to do. That's what you have to do. Okay? Once you do that, then once you get to that level, you stay in that level for a certain amount of time until you go to the next level. But you can't rush the process, guys. You can't rush it. I couldn't 4 years ago. I couldn't rush my way fast forward 4 years to here when I was broken 4 years ago. I couldn't have just rushed and just go through time without having to go through what I had went through to get here. It wouldn't have worked like that. All right. Is this the same thing for you guys right now? You somewhere maybe you don't want to be there right now. It sucks. It's annoying. Every day you wake up, you hate it. That used to be me. You want to leave it. You want to get away. I understand that. That used to be me. You don't want to go. You don't want to do it. I understand that. That used to be me. But if you don't go through the pain of actually doing what you have to do, which is learning the craft, mastering your skill set, doing the extra time on the charts, then this will never happen. Okay? You have to just push yourself hard enough until it happens. And it may take a couple of years. That's okay. I'd rather it take long than it never happen. Which one would you guys rather? You rather it take long or never happen? All right? So pick one. You rather Forex success take long to happen, 5, 10 years to happen for you? Or you don't do the work, half-ass it, underestimate the opportunity, don't master your skills, don't become a member, don't learn the jackpot strategy, and stay where you at for a long time and never change? Which one of those? Whichever one is the most scariest to you, you're gonna be scared of it. If it's going backwards or staying the same scary, then you're gonna work hard to become better. And if you don't care, then okay, you don't care. But think about it like this: just because you don't care, it's not you that's going to be affected. You're gonna be affected, of course, but mainly your family is gonna be affected. Your mom is gonna be affected. Your dad is gonna be affected. Your future kids is going to be affected because they're gonna be broke. They're gonna need shit. You're not gonna be able to provide it to them. All right. Your girlfriend is gonna be disappointed. Your wife is going to be disappointed. Why? Simply because you was lazy and you did not want to do the work on the charts. Those are the people that's gonna be disappointed. Because you could probably live with yourself. You know you was lazy. You know you didn't do the work. And you don't care. You could probably live with yourself. But when you're going to bring kids into this world, they're going to have to be broke just like you was. That sucks. And you had an opportunity to change, to do better for yourself, and you didn't do it. That sucks. That sucks for them. Because now they have to go to schools where they don't want to go to. Right? They have to deal with shit that they don't have to deal with. Your wife gonna have to do shit that she don't want to do because you didn't want to do the work. Think about that, right? So it's not just you that's gonna be affected if you don't do the work. Everyone around you is gonna be affected. Your parents, your loved ones, gonna be affected. Your future family is gonna be affected, right? So stop playing around with this Forex knowledge and stop trying to see if this thing works. How about you just do it and find out for yourself if it works? Because if you don't do it, 5 years from now, you're still gonna be broke. 10 years from now, you're still gonna be broke. I knew that 4 years ago. That's why I made it work. That's why I went hard. That's why I did the work. Because I knew if I didn't do it, 4 years was gonna come, I was gonna be broke still. 5 years was gonna come, I was gonna be broke still. Then I probably would have gotten tired of being broke, and then I would have did something just for the money because I get paid. Not because I love it or I get paid a lot. I just do it just for the money because I get paid. And you don't want that to be you. You don't want that to be you. And I know it's scary, I know it sucks, but if you don't do it, then what else are you gonna do really? If you don't do it, what else are you gonna do? If you don't try it out and make it work, what is the next thing you're gonna do that's gonna get you to the next level? And then look, you could have the next thing that could get you to the next level, but you gotta do it, because if you don't do it, you're gonna regret it later on. Somebody asked, who was my mentor? You know who was my mentor? Hard life lessons. Hard life lessons. Sleeping on the floor, going a day or two without food. That's a mentor right there. I tell you that. Yeah, that's a big mentor right there. Right? Learning the Forex knowledge and not following your rules and losing, that's a mentor. Mistakes, that's a mentor right there. Because it's a quiet mentor. They don't have to talk. It shows you by action. It shows you that you broke right now. You don't have no money in your account right now because you're not doing the right work. Right? You're struggling right now because you didn't do the work a couple of years ago. And the same mentor is telling you right now, if you don't do it today, tomorrow you're still going to be broke. Next month you're going to be broke. Next year you're going to be broke. And the next 10 years you're going to be broke. So now you have no choice. You just have to do it. You just have to do it, guys. That's just what it comes down to. You're just going to have to do it. And I know it's going to be hard, but you have to do it. So if you ask me, what was my mentor? I never really had somebody talking to me like I'm talking to you guys right now. The only thing that could talk to me was mistakes, pain, losing, making bad mistakes that I regret, not doing the work when I was supposed to do the work, not waking up on time to trade and then missing out on a big move. That's a lesson. It's a mentor. It tells me that, hey, next time if you don't wake up, you're going to lose perfect opportunity again. That's a mentor. You have to just have your ears open to understand that you will be able to listen and adjust. And that's a hard one right there. Listen and adjust. Make changes. right? Make changes. See me, I'm in a different level of my life right now, a different level of my career. The amount of money I lose is different to what I used to lose back then. The amount of money I make is more than what I used to make back then. But the concept is still the same. I'm still learning lessons. I'm still learning painful lessons. But guess what? I listen and I make changes. I readjust. I change the course. I change the plan. Once I do that, now I'm able to have a great way of going about it so I could become successful next time. All right, next time. So in saying that, guys, I don't want to hold you guys too long. You have to just master yourself, become a great trader, learn that it's not going to happen overnight, and also grow in your skill set. Grow in your skill set daily. Because if you don't do it, time going to pass by anyway. But if you get to that next level where you could grow yourself and become a great trader, you will forever be grateful that you did. So that's all for tonight's session. I'll talk to you all soon. Tune in Friday. I don't know what time yet, but I'll let you guys know what time. Most likely going to be either 5 or 7 or one of those. I'll definitely let you guys know. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Somebody asked, do I sleep? Of course I sleep. I have to, just like everyone else. But I make time to trade because it's important. All right, awesome, man. Whoever want to join my live next time, have your questions ready. We could possibly do that. I want to have Wednesday sessions just to go on live with you guys, and then on Friday session, we'll talk about more. All right. So the one thing I wanted to talk about, I talked about it a little bit today, but I'm gonna go talk about it more in details Friday. The one thing. This is gonna be the topic for at least the whole month. The one thing. What is the one thing you focusing on right now that's gonna get you to the next level? You guys already know mine. You guys have to find out yours. So that's all for today's session. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.